Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create this bouncing ball animation in Python. So you can see this is in 3D and we can move around and see, and ball has a damping effect as well. So let's try to understand the code. So first thing that I've done is I've imported my library, that is python. After that I have defined some constants, that is my radius, height, damping, gravity, that is negative 9.81. Okay, so first thing that I have defined is I have defined my scene, canvas title, and width and height. So let's try to visualize this code. So first I have created a canvas, and this is how much, 800 by 600. So 800 by 600. So this is width and this is height. After that I have set something called center vector 00 and color white. So basically what I'm trying to say is, hey, that the color of the background is white and center vector 00. So this is very important thing. So by default what actually happened, the center of origin is basically, if you have used HTML, is basically here, 0 comma 0. So I want to be at the center of it. So what I'm doing, I'm moving this origin to here, 0 comma 0. Okay, but here we are dealing with 3D, so there is one more 0. Okay, after that I have said, hey, create a floor, its position is 0, minus height, and size is 10.1. Let's try to visualize it. So I'm saying, hey, that I want to create a rectangle here. Create a rectangle here. Okay, and its height, basically from the origin, it is 0.5. Above, its total length is 10, width is 10, and this depth is 0.1. So this is what it means, and color is blue. After that I've said, hey, create a ball. Ball is what? Sphere. So box and bolt are inbuilt functions in it. So this is what I used to create them. So this box is called floor, and sphere, a sphere will create it. Okay, the sphere position is 5 from the origin. Okay, 0 comma 5 comma 0, radius value is 0.5, so its radius is 0.5 and its color is red. Okay, after that I have defined something called ball dot velocity. So I'm defining its velocity, and it's currently 0 0 0 0 because there is no velocity at that moment. After that I'm defining a simulation loop, timestamp, that is dt 0.001. After that we are going to use while loop. So while 800 true conditions, what I want to do is I want to increase the velocity. G is what? 9 to 9.81. So it basically means it will go to downwards direction into dt. So it will go downwards. Okay. And what I want, that ball dot position, it will, what it will do, it will, the ball dot velocity parameter will go to my this position vector, this one. Okay. So with the help of that I'm changing its position. So the ball dot velocity basically I'm using in my position vector to change its position. So this code basically defined to check whether the ball is colliding or not. If it's collide, it reverses the y velocity and apply damping. Okay, and this apply to check is that my ball doesn't go out of the scene, and reverse the y velocity when it's go above. Okay, so in that way we have created our bouncing ball animation. One more thing that you can do is, if you want to see how is ball is bouncing, so copy this, control V, so it will create a trail effect as well. So if I click on play, let's close this, I have to rerun this. So notice a red trail effect is also there. So in that way, you can also create a tail effect as per your requirement. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.